Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking to build some habits that will take you closer to your goals and make your success inevitable. But here's the thing, building lasting habits isn't easy. In fact, it's one of the biggest challenges we face when trying to improve ourselves. Today, I'm going to share how to build lasting habits for success. I'm going to give you some practical, actionable steps you can start using today to create habits that stick. No more starting and stopping. So, if you're ready to transform your life by building habits that last, then let's jump right in. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly talk about why habits are so important. Habits shape our daily lives and determine our long-term success. Research shows that about 40% of our daily actions are habitual, meaning that we do them without thinking. The problem is, many of us have bad habits that hold us back. Building positive, productive habits allows us to achieve big things, one small action at a time. Whether you want to wake up earlier, work out regularly, read more books, or eat healthier, it's all about creating systems that make these actions automatic. And the good news is, anyone can build habits that lead to success, no matter where you're starting from. All right, let's get into the 10 steps that will help you create lasting habits for success. 1. Start small and be specific. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to change everything all at once. You'll be much more successful if you start small. For example, instead of saying, I want to work out every day, start by saying, I'll exercise for 10 minutes a day. The key is to be specific. Break down your goals into manageable chunks that you can easily commit to. 2. Focus on consistency, not perfection. It's easy to get discouraged if you miss a day or don't do something perfectly. But remember, consistency is key. Even if you miss a day, don't give up entirely. The most important thing is to get back on track as soon as possible. Habits are built through consistent effort, not perfection. 3. Make your habits enjoyable. Building habits is much easier when they're fun. If you're trying to form a habit like exercising, find something you actually enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, yoga, or lifting weights, when you enjoy the process, it feels less like a chore. Look for ways to make your habits fun so that they feel rewarding, not like a burden. 4. Create a trigger or cue. Every habit needs a trigger, a cue that reminds you to do it. For example, if you want to start drinking more water, set a reminder on your phone or leave a water bottle on your desk. If you want to exercise in the morning, set your workout clothes out the night before. This trigger will act as a prompt, making it easier for you to follow through. 5. Stack habits. Habit stacking is a powerful method. This is where you attach a new habit to something you already do. For example, after you brush your teeth in the morning, you might immediately do 10 minutes of stretching. Linking the new habit with something already in your routine makes it much easier to remember and do consistently. 6. Track your progress. Tracking your progress is one of the most motivating ways to keep building your habit. Whether you use a physical journal, an app, or a simple calendar, seeing your progress gives you a sense of achievement. It helps you stay accountable and boosts your motivation to keep going. 7. Build a support system. You don't have to build habits alone. Find a friend or family member to join you in your habit-building journey. Having a support system makes it easier to stay accountable and stick with it. Plus, having someone to celebrate your wins with makes the process much more enjoyable. 8. Focus on one habit at a time. Trying to build multiple habits at once can be overwhelming. Instead, focus on one habit at a time. Once you've successfully incorporated one habit into your routine, move on to the next. This allows you to give your full attention to each habit, increasing your chances of success. 9. Be patient with yourself. Building lasting habits takes time, so be patient with yourself. Research shows that it takes about 21 to 66 days for a new behavior to become automatic. Don't expect instant results, and don't beat yourself up if things aren't perfect right away. Progress is progress, no matter how small. 10. Reward yourself. Finally, don't forget to reward yourself for sticking with your new habits. Whether it's treating yourself to a favorite snack, taking a day off, or celebrating a milestone, rewards make the process feel more satisfying and motivate you to continue. So there you have it, 10 powerful strategies for building lasting habits that can lead you to success. Remember, the key to creating lasting habits is consistency, patience, and focusing on small, enjoyable actions. Start small, track your progress, and don't forget to reward yourself along the way. If you start applying these strategies today, you'll be amazed at how your life can begin to transform. What's one habit you want to build for success? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal development and success.